Hello everyone, this is Ming Zhong. Welcome to today's market analysis for the S&P 500 E-mini futures. That's for the session of 10th of July. So in this video, I am going to show you the market recap on the last session, plus two trade reviews in the M3 timeframe, which I will cover the entry, exits, and the rationale behind. And those two trades happened during the US session, and you will see how I actually switched the bias to actually turn the losses into profits. So in total, one win and one loss. So two trade reviews. And going forward, I will cover the bias, the key levels to pay attention to, and also the potential setup for the session later. All right, so let's just get started. As we can see in this daily chart for the S&P 500, so yesterday was bearish, definitely, and we see the spike of the supply and together with some kind of the demand tail. So the close was relatively strong, I would say, because it actually recovered a majority of the losses. But one thing to bear in mind is this kind of the intensity of the sell-off definitely mimic this kind of the bar and maybe this one as well. So definitely I think it's related to the coronavirus, second wave, third wave. So anyway, let me get down to H1 time frame and we can have a better view and clearer view here. So if you recorded in my video yesterday, I do talk about potential long scenario, and especially after a test of this non-RTH low here. So that's around 3152, and also this last hour bar here, I think this is somewhere around 3145. So possible long entry upon a reversal signal. But you can see that this is the first hour. We see some kind of the sell-off, but the volume wasn't that aggressive. And together we have seen this kind of the demand tail suggested some kind of the demand, but we see that eventually there wasn't any upside follow through, and here comes this sell-off bar here, and this is huge. And together with this kind of the supply level, and this is definitely something that is very similar, or actually you can just take a look back at the past few sessions where I pointed out the daily bar there, and definitely that kind of the sell-off with this intensity and this kind of the supply spike is actually very similar to this sort of the sell-off with big bearish bar, high supply level, big bearish bar here. So it's very similar. So in terms of the characters and the price movement. And let's take a look at the H1 bar here. So you can see this sell-off actually followed by a quick recovery. So we have this bar is a sell-off bar, and the demand actually come in at about 11 o'clock my time, just right after its test or spring the prior low here. So you can see that similar of the effort, but the down result actually get a lot lesser, plus some great demand tail on this bar. So suggested a rally is pending. So here comes the rally up, and eventually we just have some kind of the resistance here, and you can see we did close below the resistance level, have some kind of the rejection tail here. And this is the axis line formed as the resistance at around 3150. All right, so let me get down to M3 time frame to review my two trades review, because yesterday was kind of like very interesting and a bit of the challenging in terms of reading the price action, because my bias, as I mentioned in my video yesterday, and if you record it, I do talk about potential long scenario after tested or spring of this 3152 level. That's the non-RTH low here. And also potential another level at the last hour bar at probably around 3145, maybe somewhere around there. And you can see that I did take up this long entry here. So this is my first entry, and what I actually anticipate was a potential reversal signal here. We see the sell off and some kind of the reaction tested this level at 3152, and here comes follow a reversal, a few reversal bars and the combo bars here. So they actually reverse this bar here. So I just bet on a continuation to the upside to at least test this swing high level there. But you can see that it didn't actually happen. So in fact, there wasn't just maybe 2 or 3 bars, just slightly above that. We didn't really see any commitment above to the upside. And here comes the sell-off bar at here, this bar here. And we can see the volume actually pick up a bit here, and also on this bar as well. And I actually got stop out here. So this is my stop. So definitely it's just end up to become a losing trade. But at this point, one thing is just pop up in my mind, because I was still thinking about a potential long scenario, and could this become a potential spring type of the action where it actually committed below for temporary periods and eventually can reverse up and continue to the upside. So that's still a point in my mind. And if this happen, then what I would like to see is some kind of the commitment to the upside, and then I can probably try my second entry. But if not, then definitely it will turn out to become a bearish scenario where you can just have some kind of a continuation to the downside. So this kind of the low is very important, and it shouldn't just penetrate below this low here. So you can see that we have very limited upside. The rally is mediocre. In fact, it's just tested at this 3152 level, acted as a resistance right after it just penetrate through, and it just can't commit above here. And subsequently, we can see this kind of the bearish bar showed up, and this bar is the confirmation. So it just give me the confirmation to go short. So my bias on that onwards just switch from bullish to bearish, and we can see that it actually just penetrate through this low form here, and this is actually my entry here. I just enter the short here with my stop just above this big bearish bar here. So that's my stop, that's my entry, and I just ride it through to the downside. And here comes my exit. I just scale out a partial of my position, and that's about because I think this is the previous day low, and the other part or the rest of my positions I just scale out at this level. That is the kind of like the swing low formed previously. So I zoom out a bit here. You can see that this is the swing low here. There's a swing low. So in this case, I just totally scale out my position there. I just exit all my positions. So overall, not too bad. I got one loss at -1 reward to risk ratio, and I got a winning position here turned out to be about 4, and I think this is around 2. So overall is around 3. Reward to risk ratio of around 3 minus this one is about 2. So overall still is profitable trade. All right, so that's it for these 2 trade reviews. But I do see some kind of the possibility to enter long right after this apex formation. But I was just watching, didn't really trade, because you will notice that it's kind of late in my time zone here. It's around about 12 o'clock here. If you zoom if you zoom out to H1 time frame, you can see a clearer picture where there is effort versus results, and showing the demand was in. obviously. So that was the 10 p.m. bar, and this is the 11 p.m. bar. And you can see that with similar kind of the efforts to go down. And so this is the volume behind. So similar kind of the volume, but this is the spread, huge spread, strong commitment to the downside. But look at this bar here. So relatively almost, I think it's less than half of this bar. And also we have the demand tail here. So definitely suggests the demand was in this bar. So there is a potential trade going on just right after the close at this bar. But it was kind of late. But I will still show you what I will do. Let me get back to the M3 time frame. So you can see that it's kind of like forming a apex formation here. And we see that the selling force actually decreasing with the down wave getting smaller, and same with the volume. So that's a sign of the exhaustion of the supply, and this is a breakout. So out of this apex formation, so I think it's possible to take this entry. Otherwise, maybe somewhere around there as well, because that is definitely different from anything we have ever experienced. This sell down, sell off, sell off. So this is the biggest up wave together with the horizontal reaction. So pretty good or pretty nice to take a long entry to anticipate upside follow through. So anyway, these are the trade reviews for yesterday. And let me just get back to the current time frame, and let me zoom in to H1. So yesterday price action was definitely kind of bearish, and I think nowadays we will see quite a lot of this kind of action, especially during the economic reopening and the coronavirus second wave, third wave in different kind of the countries, not only in the US but also in other countries like Hong Kong, Singapore, even in China as well. So I think it's quite a logical thing to take some profit out. And this is how we see, or this is how it actually happened. So we see this kind of the movement, suggest some kind of the profit taking activities. And in terms of the bias, I think so far for day trading today, I am kind of like a neutral, because I actually just had my position, a long position somewhere around there, to bet on the reversal around 3120. So this is a reaction as a test of this low. So I anticipate some kind of a movement up, maybe to test this access level at 3150. So anyway, I think overall this structure still provided some kind of the support. So we see that 3105, the swing low here, actually provided some kind of the support. And definitely the immediate resistance level is at axis line here at around 3150, and followed by 3180. So these are the resistance, and the immediate support level definitely 3105, the swing low. And should this break the 3105, if not able to defend, then I think we'll be looking at a lower level. The key level should be around here. So this should be around 3050, and here as well, 3060. So I think these are quite important. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see why. So we sort of have the structure on here, 3060, and definitely some kind of the support or resistance around there. So I think if this 3105 level cannot hold, then definitely we'll see some kind of the movement down to test the level at 3060 to 3080, and we'll need to judge from there on whether it will just bounce up and settle and eventually go up, or it will have some kind of the sign of weakness. So we just need to wait and let the market to tell us. And so far, I talk about the bias for day trading, kind of neutral. For long term, definitely we're still bullish because it's kind of like still within this very big structure, um, like the trading range here, 3225 to around 2925. So we still start within this structure. And pretty much the key levels, I talk about the support and resistance. And for potential setup, I think I just mentioned I had an open trade initiated at around 3120 on anticipation to some kind of the upside or rebound. But I think we just need to pay attention to this 3105 level. There's potential play around that level, somewhere around there, or maybe you can just go up, swing down, maybe have another potential long entry again, or even this 3150 level could become some kind of the resistance level, and you could potential open some short positions there as well. So we'll just need to judge the price action of the market. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and get something out from the video. So if you like the video, just click like and also hover it to my name or picture to follow me. Do remember to subscribe to my channel so that you get instant notification of my future video ideas. So as usual, if you have any kind of the comments, suggestions, or trade ideas you would like to share with me, feel free to comment it below. I will definitely reply to you. All right, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.